Okay, George, I wanted to show you what all the hullabaloo is about the shaft. As we rotate the shaft, you can see there it goes. You can see that the hub or the packing gland is wobbling, and that's because the shaft's bent. The shaft is not permanently bent. It's a bend being induced by the fact that the coupling half is skewed on the back. The coupling half on the back of the transmission is skewed. So so that's what's inducing the bend to the shaft. That's what's causing it to look like, basically the shaft is making not spinning about its axis. It's spinning about a circle. So anyhow, that's what all the hullabaloo is. What we've been trying to solve. We have a drive saver that came in yesterday. It was wrong. We have a drive saver that's going to be here Monday. That will be the right drive saver. And if it's not the right drive saver, I'm going to bring this on to New York because this has probably been going on for its entire life, and it's evidently not caused a problem. It's against all the stuff that we've trained. It should be causing a problem, but obviously it's not. So based on your recollection of the history, it's not. So I'll bring it on to New York if that's the deal. Talk to you later.